Gobble morning, gobble afternoon, and gobble evening, traders from across the globe. I'm not showing you any charts. I'm not showing you anything. I just came out to say happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrate, to those who don't. Have a nice day off on us Americans, and we'll see you guys on either Sunday night or Monday when markets get back to normal. Make sure you take take the day off. Don't trade Sunday into Monday. Relax, smell the roses, let the crazies come in and move the markets around, and then we'll look at it Monday afternoon and see where it goes from there. But you have a great weekend. Have a great day off. OMNIacs from around the world, guess what? OMNICAMP is happening very shortly, December 9th. And OMNIacs that are coming in, you OMNI campers, I'll see you soon. Don't sweat it. I got everything planned out for you. So that's about all I have to say besides one other thing. Fabian, handmade pens. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. I'm going to cherish this. And I believe he's starting to make these. So Fabian, when you're ready and you're making these, you let me know, and I'll start showing to people. I think they're great. Thank you so much for the pen, kid. All right. Happy Thanksgiving once again. See you cats later. And remember, even when you're carving the turkey, stops are in. Emotions are out. Take care, traders. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you cats on Monday.